Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to the square root of number 5 sine t. So if I put this one go in here, you got about 5 sine t square. Number 5, we can do about factorization. 1 minus sine t square, we change cosine t square, and later that we simplify the square root. Now if we do first derivative for the both sides, you got about the square root of number 5 cosine t dt. This one we put in here. And this one go in here. Ds we change by this one. Now this one you got about 5 sine t square. Number 5, we can do about factorization. One minus sine t square, we change cosine t square. The square root of number 5 cosine t square, you got about the square root of number 5 cosine t. Now we need to simplify the square root of number 5 and this one in here. The square root of number 5 we put in here. Cosine t, you got about cosine t square. And this one we can change into 1 minus sine t square. So we have 1 divided by sine t and sine t square divided by sine t. So you got about 1 over sine t minus sine t. This one you got about cosecant of t. And now we have the final answer. The integration of cosecant of t, you got about negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of t plus cotan t. The integration of sine t, you got about positive cosine t, because the integration of sine t, you got about negative cosine t. Negative with negative, you got about positive. And we put about c in here. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 5. And we got about t equals to all sides of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. And this is the final answer.